So this is how I apply the zip end to my zipper tape. I'm going to take you through the process of how I do that. So I'm going to start with my zipper tape. I've got a zip end and the coordinating screw. I've got a little clip. I've got a screwdriver to screw the screw in, a lighter, and I also have some fabric glue as well. So what I'm going to start by doing is, if the screw comes inside of the zipper pull, if you take that out, and then I'm going to take my zipper tape and I'm going to fold it in thirds back on itself so that it looks like this. So from the other side, it's folding it over on itself in three so that it looks like that. I know it's quite hard to see with the tape being black. So then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of fabric glue just to help keep that in place, because I do find that it makes inserting the zip tape much easier. The zipper tape does not shift about as much, so I want that to be sort of nice and even, so I'm just going to play around with that until I'm happy. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm also just going to use the lighter just to melt those ends, just to make sure that that zipper tape won't unravel inside the zipper pull end. And I'm just going to pop that clip on just to keep it in place while that glue dries for a few minutes. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my zipper pull end and I'm going to insert a little bit of glue. I've actually already done that in this one, but all I would do is just put a little drop inside the zipper end. And the reason for that is I want to give the maximum sort of adhesion for the zipper tape in this end so that it doesn't come loose. So just a little bit of fabric glue just to help secure that tape inside of this zipper end, as well as the screw, means that this end is not going to come off. So once I've given this a few minutes just to dry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed the zipper tape into the end, and it should be quite firm. It will sort of require you to sort of push it quite firmly in, but it will go in fairly easily, and you want to push it all the way in. So you want to make sure that you're happy that it's all the way to the end of this zipper end. I'm then just going to take this screw and then literally just screw this in place. Now again, this will be quite firm, and you want to make sure that it's screwed all the way in. So I hope you can see there that that's really sort of flat. That will make sure that that zip end is completely stuck. It's not going to go anywhere. So when you're pulling the zip pull up and down this zip end, it's going to be really safe and secure. So this is what the zip pull looks like on a finished bag. So it really does like finish your bags, your pouches off, and just makes them look really professional and sort of high class. So yeah, so that's how it's inserted. It's really simple, really easy, and like I say, it does sort of like give your bags another level of finish. So I hope this video has been helpful. Please do give it a like. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. There will be more videos on zipper tips and tricks coming out in the next few weeks. So please do give them a watch, and thank you for watching. Bye.